Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing caravan insurance, so stay tuned. So today I'm going to be discussing caravan insurance and its importance when you have a caravan. I'll also be explaining the different kinds of policies, and also we'll be covering best ways to keep the premium at a low price. I'd like to thank Purple Line for sponsoring this video. They are the makers of security devices for your caravan, motorhome and leisure vehicles, and also they do make and design motor movers. Now if you would like to check out some of their products, please click the link below. Thank you. At present, it's not a legal requirement to have caravan insurance. However, 1,000 caravans are stolen each year and many more are broken into. If you have an accident whilst towing your caravan, your car insurance will only cover third parties involved in the incident. Also, car insurance companies may not pay out because you may not have declared that you've had a tow bar fitted, which is classed as a modification to your car. Sadly, caravans can also catch fire, be subject to flooding and also suffer from accidental damage. So what types of cover are there? There are new for old, there is market value and there's agreed value. So let's take a look at these in a little more detail. New for old is really what it says it is, mostly for caravans up to 5 years old. This policy will replace your caravan like for like in the event of a total loss, providing you insure at the replacement value. The market value will cover the current replacement value, taking into account the age and condition. Agreed value is a guaranteed value of the caravan at the time of taking out your policy, and this is based on the purchase receipt from the caravan dealers. Not all insurance companies offer this type of cover. Contents are covered usually, but there will be a limit on a single item. You need to discuss this with the insurance company when you're taking out the policy. Valuables are not covered, and all insurance companies will take a view that you should leave your valuables at home. Remember, the caravan is plastic and is a lot easier to break into than your home. So let's take a look at some ways that we can reduce the premium when we're taking out our caravan insurance. In a previous video, I discussed caravan crime prevention. Now, it is very important that you fit locks and security devices to your caravan when it's either stored or you are away on holiday. Get yourself a quality strong wheel lock, a hitch lock and possibly an alarm. The more security devices you fit, the less attractive it looks to a thief. Also consider a tracking device. If you're storing the caravan at a secure compound, why not consider CASOA registered sites? You can save up to 25% if it is a gold standard one. These sites have been approved by caravan insurance companies, and another consideration is registering your caravan with CRIS. CRIS stands for Central Register Identification Scheme. This is a great way to identify stolen caravans. It also acts like a V5 logbook like you have with your car. All these security measures could bring down the premium of your policy. Also, when setting up the policy, be honest with your insurer. If you're towing for long periods and abroad, most insurance companies cover your caravan for long periods away, from 30 days up to 90 days, but you must inform them if you are towing abroad. As with your car insurance, you can also accrue no claims bonuses with your caravan insurance, and these can be transferred from one insurance company to another. Now, should you make a claim, be honest with your caravan insurance company. If your caravan is damaged or has been broken into, take lots of photographs and report to the police. Also, obtain a crime reference number. If it is involved in a road traffic collision, report the matter to the police and obtain all third-party details: name, address, make and model of vehicles, including registration numbers. Also obtain the police incident number and the officer in charge's collar number. Now remember, should you make a claim, tell the truth to the insurance company, because if it's found out that you haven't been, they can cancel your policy, and you could also make it difficult to get any other insurance in the future. Now, I feel personally it is worth having caravan insurance. At the end of the day, it's probably the third most expensive purchase you'll make. Your house, your car and your caravan. In this hobby, that is. I'd just like to thank Purple Line for sponsoring this video, and I'd also like to thank you for joining me. But in the meantime, I'd just like to say, take care, have fun, but get some insurance. Bye for now.